Hello friends, this is Ruvia. Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are seeing my face for the first time, then do subscribe and hit like to this video. Okay, so today we are going to talk all about oily skin, and if you guys are following me since long time, you guys already know I have oily plus combination skin, depends on the season. So this winter I have really amazing things to tell you guys. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so first thing I would like to tell you guys that oily skin is really tedious to handle. I know, but I have converted my oily skin to a combination skin, and yes, now it is like a normal skin. But before that, I would like to tell you guys that yes, for that you need consistency. Yes, you have to use any of the product or any of the thing regularly, and then only you can see results. That is, you can use the products in the morning or at the night, and the reason to use in the morning is that whole day when you travel, the dirt and all those things don't tend to directly get contact with your skin. And to use at night any of the product, if you are using at night, the benefit of that is that it repairs your skin overnight. Since you are not doing anything, you are sleeping, it repairs your skin. Yes, that's something really important information. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about products from Plum. So if you guys already know, I have been using a lot of products from Plum, and previously I just loved the kajal of this. It's really superb. Yes, and it's best in range, but today I'm not going to talk about that, just the information. And the night gel, which I already use since last 2 months, like since the previous video I did. Since that time I am using night gel every day. But all this doesn't matter, this is just for the information purpose. But I have something really important to tell you guys, that if you are looking for Plum products, then Plum is having their Holi sale, that is from 18 December to 21st December, and this is the biggest sale on their website, and they are having 40% discount site wise. And if you're ordering products more than $8.99, okay, so I have ordered 3 good products from the range green tea. Yes, Plum is having different ranges, and I have ordered green tea for the oily skin. And with that, I have got this cute little box, and inside that box, when we open this box, there are 2 mini duo, that is of Hawaii Rumba range, and I would really like to share about this later at the end of this video. But they are really cute, and I just love the print of this. So we'll just start with the products. Okay, so let's start with the toner. Okay, so for toner I have this bottle, and it is really amazing. The packaging is amazing. It opens this way, but I didn't like one thing is that the toner is not in the spray form, so I have to use cotton pad or cotton balls or any of that thing. In case I don't have cotton pad, in case you don't have cotton pad, you can take the product on your palms and then just dab it all over your face. So you can see the way I am doing it. The consistency is watery. Yes, always toners are watery. You just have to dab. The smell is really superb shit, man. ये प्लम के प्रोडक्ट्स का ना बेस्ट थिंग यही है कि इसकी स्मेल बहुत अच्छा होता है. द टी ट्री रेंज इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. इसका और नाइट जेल का स्मेल इज़ रियली same. And in case you don't know what is toner, how toner works and all those stuffs, I have a separate video of that. You can check that video, link given in the description box. So the smell of this toner is really superb. I just love the smell. Now I'll just show you the face mask of tea tree range from Plum. Okay, so when we open this box, it is really normal, just like the normal box which Plum has. It has color, really rusty color, brownish type, and it has glass bottle as usual, which all the Plum products has. Okay, so when we open this, it feels really okay. So the smell is good. Now I'll just apply on my face, as you guys can see. Okay, so the consistency of this product is not that runny and not that thick as well. It is normal for our normal people. And whenever you are in hurry, this Plum masks are really amazing. I use that orange mask as well, and it really gets dry soon, and you are just ready to go for any of your function or party or anywhere you feel like. It's really a quick process. That's what I love most about this Plum face mask. Okay, so we have to wait for 3-4 minutes and it will get dried. Till that time you can do any of your thing, like if you are getting ready for party, you can just do foot spa, do hand spa, do whatever stuff is left to do. You can just remove your outfit. That takes more time. Okay guys, so it is dried, as you guys can see, completely dried. Okay, I'll just wash it off and get back to you. Okay guys, I am back. I have washed it and I'll just wipe it off. I say this in my every video, I'll say it again. If you have any of the skin problem, that is acne and pimples and all those stuff, stop using napkins, stop using handkerchief, start using tissue papers. Yes, it may be little costly than using that napkins and all those stuffs, but trust me, it will save a lot of your cream for pimples and acne, because tissue papers use करने के बाद I can definitely see difference on my face, and उसके बाद मुझे pimples नहीं होते हैं, except that those dates of our girls. But trust me, they are amazing. Or else you can do one more thing. Always use fresh washed napkin or handkerchief while wiping your face. Don't take risk over your face. Okay, so next thing we have over here is this night gel. I daily use. I have 2 bottles. I'll frankly tell you. See this one which I am already using. Oops. हमेशा होता है ये मेरे साथ. अगर आप मेरे वीडियोस फॉलो करते हो आपको पता रहेगा, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ गिरता है. बट सी, ये हाफ ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट आई हैव यूज्ड इट and I have ordered one more just to stock it up, because I know I use this daily and it is really amazing on my face and it works. So you can see ये पूरा पैक वाला है. ये नया मैंने, see it is totally full pack. This is the fresh one and this is one which I am using. इसका consistency is really amazing. Like normal सा consistency, it's really light on your face. You don't feel that heavy while you are sleeping. So just give it a try if you have oily and combination skin. Okay, now let's come to that Freaka product. Okay, so Freaka product हर किसी को पसंद आता है. But I will just tell you something about these 2 products. I just love the print यार. Print कितना मस्त है, एकदम beachy type. Okay, so this is shower gel. इसका smell is good, like really good. Shower gel है, pocket friendly है, it's amazing. Freaka product, क्या बोलना है, हमेशा अच्छा ही होता है. But this body mist, I would like to tell something good about this body mist. Something good as in something strange which I have noticed. ये मैंने 2-3 pumps use किया already, so I am telling that इसका बड़ा बॉटल भी आता है, मैंने देखा है इनकी वेबसाइट पे. In case if you want you can order, but I would suggest go for small packaging. Then if you like you can go for big one. So I would say when you pump it, it has a spray bottle. Okay, when you pump it has really strong smell जो मुझे नहीं पसंद है. I am kind of person who likes mild kind of smell, and this is Hawaiian Roomba. But something weird over here is that after you rub, after 10 seconds, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, I know बहुत fast हो गया, but हो गया 10 seconds. Smell gets mild. I don't know how. बहुत अच्छा लगने लगता है. Like when I spray, I don't like the smell, but after 10 seconds, I just love the smell. This is something weird and strange. So if you have used this product, tell me if this is something with me only और आपके साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है. And अगर आप ये यूज़ करते हो then उसके बाद भी let me know in the comment section. I really want to know something about this. I just love the smell. After 10 seconds, I don't know how. Okay, so that's all. These are the three main. ये free का product तो free है और अच्छा भी है. But these three main products are really good. If you want, you can try. As I said, sale is going on their website, that is 40% off. And something good things about Plum products I would like to tell. It is made in India, so go local and try Indian products. Okay, and the next thing is that it is 100% vegan and it is cruelty free. No animals were harmed while making this product. Okay, that's all I would like to tell you guys, and all the links given in the description box. Don't forget to check out my description box and subscribe to my channel to see my further videos. And if you like me, do hit like to this video. And yes, that was all for today. Bye bye, see you in next video.